Hacer daño. Hacer daño. It's crazy. Like a few minutes ago, we were talking about hacer ejercicio. The other one was hacer falta. And the meaning of hacer changes completely. Hacer falta, to need. Hacer ejercicio, to exercise, right? Hacer daño. Hacer daño. It's not gonna mean to do something or make something, because that's, the meaning of hacer. It means to hurt or to be harmful. Depends on the situation. Daño, this word here means damage, okay? Daño by itself means damage. But when you have hacer en daño, that means to hurt, okay? To hurt, to be harmful. For example, I can say, tus palabras me hacen daño. Tus palabras me hacen daño. So this means your words hurt me, right? It could happen. It could happen. Some people are mean, for sure. Tus palabras means your words. Tus, your, palabras, words, okay? Me hacen daño. Once again, we are using this pronoun, me, te, le, se, nos, reflexive pronouns. You can use them for this situation, in this situation, and when you use hacer daño, okay? So, me hacen daño means hurt me. Hurt me, as in probably they're talking and it's present time, present tense. Me hacen daño. If you want to have past tense, hicieron daño. I'm missing an N. Me hicieron daño. Tus palabras me hicieron daño. Your words hurt me, past tense. Okay? So very interesting. That's why I mentioned at the beginning of the lesson, at the beginning of the stream, that hacer, if you want to use any of these phrases, you need to know the conjugation of the verb hacer, which is pretty irregular. Hacer is pretty irregular. It's an irregular verb. So I have a lesson about that. Please feel free to browse my channel if you want to know more about this verb. But yeah, definitely it's a good verb. Okay, now the next example. Oops, sorry about that. Fumar hace daño. No deberías hacerlo. Fumar hace daño. No deberías hacerlo. So this means smoking is harmful. You shouldn't do it. Okay? Fumar hace daño. When talking about health, hacer daño is a common term that means that something can be harmful. In this situation, smoking is harmful. So, fumar means smoking. Also, it means to smoke. Yo fumo, tú fumas, él fuma, nosotros fumamos. Or yo no fumo, okay? So it can be positive, negative, but fumar is a verb and it means to smoke or smoking. Hace daño. Fumar hace daño. Smoking is harmful, so it's not good for you. No deberías You shouldn't. Deberías comes from the verb deber, which is another great verb that means should or to owe, okay? Or have to do something, okay? Must, deber means a lot of things. We can talk about this verb in the future for sure. No deberías, you shouldn't. Deberías, if you remove no, deberías means you should, okay? So in this case, it's negative and it means you shouldn't. No deberías hacerlo. Do it. Hacerlo, do it. But it's different than, if you just want to say do it, you cannot say hacerlo. Okay? You cannot say that. This. Hacerlo, we have the verb hacer and we have the pronoun lo, hacerlo, and that refers to what? Smoking. Hacerlo. No deberías hacerlo. You shouldn't do it. If you want to say do it just by itself, the way you do it, the way you would say it would be hazlo. Okay, hazlo. So let me just put it here so you know the difference. So you know the difference. Okay. So hazlo. Hazlo means do it. Okay? Hazlo. It's different than saying hacerlo. Okay? So I just don't want you to confuse that. Two different things. If you want to say do it by itself, hazlo. If you want to say, you shouldn't do it, no deberías hacerlo. Okay? So I just wanted to clarify that. It's just little things here and there that will help you master Spanish. Okay. That was phrase number 3. Yes. Hacer daño, to hurt, to be harmful. Okay? So just remember that. It's a very common Spanish phrase. Do you have any questions? If you want to make this negative, if you want to say your words don't hurt me, then you will say tus palabras no. Okay? Tus palabras no me hicieron daño. No. You cannot put no at the beginning. You put it in the middle here. Tus palabras no me hicieron daño. Or if you want no at the beginning, no me hicieron daño tus palabras. Okay, so that's an important thing to know. Spanish is very flexible when it comes to putting things at the beginning or at the end, but you need to know the structure and you need to know how it works to be able to do that. No me hicieron daño tus palabras. Okay, or tus palabras no me hicieron daño. We have the phrase and then we just add no at the beginning, because if you put it here, no, tus palabras me hicieron daño, it's not correct. It's not correct. You're gonna have it here next to the phrase. Okay? Excellent.